Well, we've been seeing a lot of activity on radar over the last several hours, and things are finally starting to slowly but gradually calm down for us. As of 10:56, the only rain on radar really is now moving into portions of southern Virginia, and then this little cluster of some lingering showers as well as some heavier rainfall into portions of Davidson County, Davie County, and Rowan County. So we'll keep an eye on it, but for the most part, things have been kind of calming down and weakening, and that is what I'm expecting to continue to happen despite what data is currently showing. So data has been showing kind of an uptick in storms again, but obviously that's not what we're seeing right now. So data is not quite handling all of our showers and thunderstorms on radar now, as well as as it was handling it earlier today. So we got more rain chances lingering into the overnight, but I really think that should stay on the quieter side. We're nice and quiet through Sunday morning, and then we get to Sunday afternoon, and we'll have a very low chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. I do think it'll be a little bit more than what data is currently showing, but not much, not nearly as much as what we saw for that afternoon today. As far as our temperatures go, we're in the low 70s in the morning, that low 20% chance for a shower in the morning, but I really think we'll stay on the drier side of things, and we'll see high temperatures reach 87 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Now to the tropics, though. A lot of us are keeping a very close eye on Tropical Storm Debbie. So Debbie is currently at 45 miles an hour, located just off the southwestern tip of the Florida Peninsula. So we'll keep a very close eye on Debbie, but watch as we head through the weekend. Debbie is expected to continue to move towards the Big Bend of Florida, strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane prior to landfall. And then once it makes landfall, expected to slow down significantly from 2 p.m. on Monday all the way through 2 p.m. Tuesday. It only moves from the Big Bend into southeastern Georgia, and then even into 2 p.m. on Wednesday, just a little bit further off the coast. So that's looking at maybe a 2-mile-an-hour movement, which is very slow. And that also means that we're looking at the possibility for a lot of flooding in that area. We'll keep a close eye on it, but once we get past that, there's still a lot of uncertainty, which is why that cone of uncertainty is fairly large into North Carolina. But it does include us, and that's going to be something that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on and fine-tuning as we head through the rest of the week. Right now, what we do know, expected to slow down once it makes landfall, and then a lot of that impact to the triad is really going to depend on where that center of circulation is and where the storm actually tracks. But a heavy rainfall and gusty winds are going to be possible for us here. Notice a significant amount of rainfall off in the southeastern United States, 7 to 10 inches. For us, we're looking at possibly 4 to 5, but obviously that could change depending on that track of Debbie as it makes landfall and as we go over the next several days. But rain chances uptick at the second half of the week because of that potential for Debbie, and our temperatures stay in the low 80s in the afternoon.